All right, everybody, welcome back. Nice and hot out here today. I have a Rondel Dagger for you. This is our first Rondel Dagger that we are reviewing here for Kult of Athena's YouTube channel. As you can see, very simple design. The handle, it's kind of got a twisted handle. Keeps the grip nice and secure. Circular handguard, circular handguard. There's the peen on the pommel. The blade length, could just call it spike length, but we're keep it blade length. It's about 13 and a half inches from the tip to the guard. And you'll see, if you're not familiar with a Rondel Dagger, which I wasn't before I started working at Kult of Athena, there is no edge on it. So the whole thing, well, if there was an edge on it, yeah, but there's no edge on it. It's a triangular blade, and this is designed for one thing and one thing only: thrusting. So yes, you could be in the forward grip if you're thrusting into like the armpits, if you're thrusting into the groin, through a helmet, through the visor of a helmet. But truthfully, anytime I've seen these used, not anytime, primarily, I see these used where the tip is down in the reverse grip. And you can see why. As soon as the tip is down, you have all that power. You have all that power driving down into the strike. If you got somebody to the ground and you draw your weapon, boom, you drive that right into the visor of the helmet. That's pretty much over. So, great, simple weapon. That's what it looks like in the sheath. Sheath is leather. And we have a steel tip on the end of it, all stitched together. Hope you can see that. All right, we have a belt loop, I believe is welded onto there. So since I'm not wearing armor right now, if this was to be carried on your belt, there we go, nice and snug now. There's a good idea of how it can be worn. You may have a sword on the left side. Actually, I don't have a sword belt, but you can get an idea. You may have a sword on the left side and then a dagger on the right. If you lost this, or if you need to draw it, say this is gone, now you have this. So pretty cool, close quarter weapon, basically just a giant spike. Some of these, depends on what manufacturer and where you get it from, the last like 2 inches is sharp. That basically just helps the blade taper in. So you can see like it's thicker near the guard on the triangular section here. So it's really easy to slam that into somebody's face, and then you'll see it thickens as it goes there to create more damage and to create more of a puncturing wound if you're thrusting that through. So pretty awesome little weapon. Not really little, but you get the point. No pun intended. Just throwing them out right now, huh?
Yeah, straight to the point.
Wow. The tip is fine. It like didn't even bend. Wow. Okay, so there you have it. We had the Rondel Dagger. We did some thrusting with it. Saw how that functions and everything. I'm just about to clean my Devil's Edge Scheme Do knife. It's the one with the wood handle, plain edge with the leather sheath. If you have not seen this knife, we have a review for it for both of them, for this one and the Damascus one. Just go ahead and click the link below in the description for that. Other than that, let me know what you thought about the Rondel Dagger. Comment below, subscribe to the channel. Talk to you soon.